Kalau ka khubor ka badap da ka jingkemen ya ka Khynnah Edmunds High Secondary School ha ka bahadu prangut ki Khynnah school kilawan chakmat bat kilapoi ha ka top 10 jangka exam HSSLC la ni ka class 12 ka baguntup ya ka arts bat ka commerce stream. Ka Khynnah Edmunds High Secondary School ka lapan pal ka jingkemen ka bakrau bat habalayo penyekran muda headmaster jangka school usa VR Rao lapan pal ka jing snokemen halo ka jing lagi Khynnah banyak ha ka ni ka exam. Pada kaliang jong kanang hikai jong ka political science ka kong Angela Wat kalapan pa bakal adap da ka jingkemen na marhadu prangut ki Khynnah layo ban poi ha ka top 10 ka bakanthop ya ka arts part commerce stream.
Yeah, we are very excited with the wonderful result. I think the rain outside is a kind of a blessing for our school. In art stream, we got about 6 positions, starting from the first one. First, second, then fifth one, sixth one, and 8th and 9th position. So it's been a hard work that has been put up by the students and the teachers. So we congratulate them all. And in the commerce stream, we just got 2 positions. So congratulations to our students from the commerce stream, and as well as their mentors, the teachers.
Pekan lima nak kalian juga kini kai kaji pengkreat kalong berosisnem. No, Tiaman ba mission class after every chapter, think we should lay a question, we lay a revision, and then we should done to one-to-one interaction. No, bagi students, kena menginap bagi bagi prepare bah. Take ek bagi ki don kam, bagi kini kai we don dia post school menginap bagi. Take kata ka bagi lay nak kalian cun kini kai, kena kalian ki kena apa dia, lomba, dalam pok kelas tu kis ngapa, anything bagi don any doubts or anything, kita akan approach bagi ting mo perupam makin answer ke question dulu, tikiwan lagi bagi guide iki properly. Hadu kini objective, hadu kini descriptive, kumdu makin prepare ha dalam kini exams. Kini berapa em kita kerja kreatif lang jom kini kai, pakai juru nak kena juga Khynnah, hamni iba isi kini ka good results this year.
So we done okay.
We always were optimistic about the results. Looking at the hard works student team for the entire year. Of course, they work extra hard and we're there to guide them. So I think that's what has paid off now. So it's a great feeling. Extremely happy. I think Edmunds, if you look at the list, I think in Edmunds, the positions also they are equally, I mean, they are both male and female. So I don't think there's any dominance in that front. So I don't know about the overall result, but then in Edmunds, we have, I think, bands both in commerce as well as in art stream. So we are both male and female. I think they probably occupying the same position. So that's what I don't think there's any imbalance there.
So are you happy with the result or expectations some more?
Yeah, actually we expected some more from commerce as well as from arts. Science, I don't have much idea because I don't teach. But commerce and arts, we expected some more, but then it's okay. But whatever we have, I think that's more than what we expect. So that's really nice.
Involved na I wish you would yung bajo yung ka jing ko mo kala but I know kay na school ba na kay ya principal ba Julia ang bitin niya but kin tambay ni pa kiba kersan nga kiba ay squad bang kam naki but kiba yung hasal kin pa
Como que eu creio que exam so that
Kajing pengkait ka nam buat kan ka study schedule nama ba kita jinja ting apa ngasiham they enjoy ngai minat dalam consistent and I put in my hard work so tang tahi minat
tu siapa yang menguji dia
kita ni jing memang ngadu sistem man kapon tikiwan kijing pang kijing sta indre wala taruh na ay dua beli ulaya tak kabur empat ngaru mai pengkreat na put in hard work ka bangaran yo ikwa kita kung pagkinyat ro na indre ha kijing pili
kaya katong dupi pa ni siya
ni siya kwate I go for degree dengan mission honors political science and split katong kay ko ban saya
Hindi ka na nagkibat. Iba kita dalam duit ikna ang school.
Ba kiniyay minat kindan nga jing kam ba kin bu e ka hard work na bu ba stang na bas na ba kin di ban bu ten ni ki jing puli na mar kat kan HD bu distractions di hindi bu e ka in say ni have balance today ni la ba ikapinu ko mo hindi balance ang sinjate di
Kung open sim oras cek podcast yang sekali jingmot kopi dan dari temu jumpa.
After that, ski masters a lot, but when you're like UPSC exams, they can creation and have a degree for political science.
TBI ben krek kan
Nato tinga ITBI na marganay ngambo kapor na may ilahi mo foundation na abet mo o nga pet kapor na di sisumpu hi kanu kapor na kismo la adi ben krek kon im jubo kapor ti ho hi na ladi ya takada mo ang kinai kuliya i sha ni kong mandi ke jisto tai sitam ju ingi ding long mi pangi sudan dekat pati dei but step at si ni krek di ju hi ta bi tai sitam ben kami kayang isang kaburam ikibahiyan kaburam kamtam ka school hero so ina ay play ginoy kay kiba tray sitam kiba wanba i kani kaburam mo but kunju ya kishna school baro badon kat i parot i kiba I'm in CM mo we ka pos ko tan katahi kaburam na asyo lang
Kundi ki yung bay julang kasi stop for by exams. Didon.
ho
Kuno try ki kasyan ni pre hang kapot ko.
kusani in ka ko bagi le ekni selection bo ni sisa idan da ba kat idon gejing tolak te ko anak ni ada med iya ko super care bo de po bai mi na hospital hi ko exams ro mi na hospital tingi ro ya kasan pet ngai ko blai super care ko ba ila ban pelat i pring ban don exams bo i sha ben ban ni to exams te hanturu iban pas ba te kataro shra te ngi kasan ni ko ta ken dal bangia habis tu sitam ni kimi keparu abang ni kuat ki kun mo bakin wan citmat de ngir habis dia ka bala ni tu sitam nam sim ke buram teng seladi keparu badan dekat di bati habis barok di bentang mo ai barok ni dan dekat lang dia ke buram siang ni aisyah boleh mungkin di kesini